Uniform is secure, you're clear. Next, please ensure the 30-second wash cycle is completed.
Manifest and bill of lading, please. Okay, you are cleared for delivery. Proceed to the main warehouse.
Temperature in zone 3 is consistent, but the humidity spiked briefly here. I saw that on the sensor. It seems to be leveling out now.
You should have seen the look on his face when the machine jammed. That's funny, but the break is almost up. Time to head back.
I've sampled the top layer. Readings are stable. Excellent. Proceed with the transfer to the next stage.
The voltage on line 3 is fluctuating.
I see it. Adjusting the dial now. Are the readings stable?
Yes, within tolerance.
The efficiency metrics are up 15% since the adjustment. Good. That explains the throughput increase. I see the blockage at position 4, clearing it now. Confirmed. Removing the Loto tag, we are clear to resume operation.
Voltage is stable and the temperature is good. Excellent. I'll sign off on the inspection report now.
Q4 production was down 5% overall.
Yeah.
Did that factor in the October supply chain issues? We should examine the regional breakdown right here.
Everything looks compliant here. Remember to rotate your stock properly.
See this seam right here? There's some residue buildup. Yeah, I got it. Log in as minor non-compliance.
Pinch the cuff and peel the first glove inside out. Slide your fingers under the second glove and peel it off. Dispose in the biohazard bin, then sanitize thoroughly.
Everything looks perfectly aligned here.
Yes, the 5S standards are clearly being maintained.
Line 3 is showing improved efficiency. Check the safety compliance on that specific task. Yes, I see the data. It looks good, but let's schedule an on-site review this afternoon. We're slightly behind on the Q3 packaging targets right here. Wait, the latest data shows we've actually exceeded it by 5%. That's excellent news.
This one is broken. Okay, put it here.
Everything looks stable on the thermal. Confirmed on the anemometer. Consistent airflow. Gauges are holding steady.
See that slight skew on the third package? Yes, but the barcode scan passed. It's within the acceptable margin. I'll make a note.
I've stabilized the temperature on VAT 3. The viscosity is normalizing.
Good. The flow rate on the assembly looks optimal now.
Pallet matched the manifest. Are the labels correct? Yes, everything is secured and accurate. Good to go.
Check the surface on this one right here.
Ah, yes, I see the pitting. Reject.
The viscosity is perfect, right within the target range. Confirmed, the automated feeder is maintaining a steady flow rate.
The alignment on the edge die is slightly off. Let me check the thickness deviation here. It seems within tolerance.
Inventory looks solid for the week. Yeah, everything is squared away. Did you confirm the inventory numbers for the Texas shipment? Yes, I just added the note. Go ahead and print the final report.
Moisture levels are stable, no signs of contamination on this pallet.
Confirmed. The documentation is also clear for Lot C4. The internal gears are spotless. Agreed. I'll mark the deep clean as verified.
The resistance peak is exactly within the optimal range. The snap is perfect. Yes, the data confirms the crystalline structure is stable.
The arm stopped within the specified zone.
Confirmed. The readout is showing 0 residual energy.
Temperature is holding steady at 180. Good. I'll increase the conveyor speed slightly.
Proper hand hygiene is the most critical step.
Does that include the new sanitizers?
Yes, absolutely. Ensure you use the provided solution after every interaction.
Everything looks good here.
Perfect.
Yeah. Hand me the pen so I can sign the tag.
All parameters are within compliance levels, Supervisor.
Excellent. The night crew is maintaining standards. Let's move to the next sector.
Check the roast level on this batch. Seems slightly darker than the last one.
I see what you mean, but the moisture content is within tolerance. It should pass.
We're seeing a slight drift on the viscosity sensor.
I've adjusted the flow rate. It's stabilizing now.
Perfect, right back in tolerance. We have a critical safety alert on line 3. I see it. Rerouting power now. Stand by.
The consistency here looks perfect, right at the target viscosity. Yes, I agree completely. Let's log it.
Make sure the labels match the region signs. Yes, stacking the Asia-Pacific ones now.
Make sure the crates are flush against the wall. Got it. And the carrots go here, right? Yes, right next to the potatoes.
Verify the throughput from the last cycle. No.
It matches the projected metrics here.
Asegúrate de que los códigos miren hacia afuera. Sí, lo tengo. Este aquí. Perfecto, vamos por el siguiente. All the supplier certificates are attached here. This batch looks ready for approval. Hold on, cross-check the logistics overview on the main screen. Yes, everything matches. Verified.